Have you ever walked into a room full of people and felt like you didn't belong? Maybe you've always felt different from your classmates, coworkers, or even your own family. While everyone else seems to fit in naturally, you constantly wonder why you think, feel, or behave differently. If you've ever asked yourself, "Why am I different from everyone?" then this video may explain more about your mind than you ever expected. Feeling different isn't as uncommon as you might think. Millions of people silently experience the same feeling every single day. Some feel emotionally different, others intellectually different, while many simply struggle to connect with those around them. Psychology suggests that this feeling often comes from the way our brain processes experiences, emotions, and social interactions. Being different isn't always a problem. It can simply mean your mind works in a unique way. One reason people feel different is because they naturally observe more than they speak. While others enjoy casual conversations, they notice body language, emotions, and hidden meanings. Their brain constantly analyzes situations instead of simply reacting to them. This deeper level of awareness can make everyday conversations feel exhausting, creating the impression that nobody truly understands them. Another common reason is growing up with experiences that shaped your personality differently. Childhood environments play a powerful role in how we see ourselves and others. People who experienced loneliness, frequent criticism, or emotional neglect often develop habits that make them feel disconnected later in life. Instead of trusting people easily, they become careful observers, always trying to understand what others are thinking before opening up. Highly sensitive people often experience this feeling as well. They notice small changes in tone, facial expressions, and emotions that most people completely miss. Because their brain processes information more deeply, crowded places, loud environments, and constant social interaction can quickly become mentally exhausting. They aren't weak. Their nervous system simply responds differently to the world around them. Interestingly, intelligent people also report feeling different more often. Curiosity pushes them to ask questions others rarely consider. Instead of accepting simple answers, they continue searching for deeper meaning. This doesn't make them better than anyone else. It simply means their mind enjoys exploring complexity. Unfortunately, this difference can sometimes create feelings of isolation. Social comparison makes the problem even worse. Every day, we compare our lives, personalities, and achievements with those around us. Social media amplifies this habit, showing carefully edited versions of people's lives. When we constantly compare ourselves with unrealistic standards, feeling different begins to feel like something is wrong with us, even when nothing actually is. The truth is that people who think differently often become innovators, artists, scientists, writers, entrepreneurs, and creative problem solvers. Many successful individuals spent years believing they didn't fit in before realizing that their uniqueness was actually their greatest advantage. Psychology reminds us that progress rarely comes from people who think exactly like everyone else. Instead of asking, "Why am I different?" perhaps the better question is, "What makes my perspective valuable?" The answer may not appear overnight, but accepting your differences is often the first step toward discovering your true strengths. The goal isn't to become like everyone else. The goal is to understand yourself well enough that you no longer need everyone else's approval. If this video made you feel understood, remember that being different doesn't mean you're broken. Sometimes it simply means your mind was built to see the world from another angle, and perhaps that's exactly what the world needs. At MQW Psychology Lab, we'll continue exploring the hidden psychology behind human behavior, helping you better understand both yourself and the people around you.